Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2733. Today's date is 9th of May 2023. It's almost like 22-24. 10 वाजून 24 मिनिट झाले आहेत. Okay. Oh boy. So what is exactly happened today? Like okay, first of all, today I have to complete my edit, but right now it seems like I won't be able to done my edit. I won't be able to upload my video till the end of this day. Okay, why? What is exactly happened today? Why you didn't really? There is a one thing I'm gonna tell you, like like uh, like before, at the beginning of this YouTube, at the beginning of this gaming channel, dubbing things, I usually very much kind of like a very like a very on tight schedule. Okay, there is one thing I know, that ki I have to record my video, edit my video, and upload my video in entire day. So I was too much busy, and I was kind of like a so much like very in rush situation ki that I have to upload my video. Because of that, I'm losing the quality. I'm losing the quality of the video, and it just, yeah. But right now na, it just felt like that ki I have to edit my video, like whenever I have time. Like I have to record my video when I kind of like a not time, like when like basically is that ki there is a one thing I discovered in myself, that ki when I rush myself to do things done, eventually that thing will become wrong. Okay, so it just kind of like a, I'm actually doing thing as kind of like a, it meant to be happen good. Like the whatever the video that I make, I'm actually focus on the quality. Okay, okay, best video, how can I execute the best video, and how can I deliver the best video as I can. So this is my uh like, what is the word for this is my trying, this is my things that I wanted to do. Like lately I was actually feeling that ki since I'm not talking that much English, uh, I am like the word is literally fumble in my mouth. Okay, I didn't really know what is the exact really word for uh, it just it's just like I don't know the words, some of the words. Okay, yeah, I can make the sentence, yes, but the depth of the sentence is actually measured by the words that you are using. And I am using kind of like a very pathetic, or very not pathetic, but very like a very common word. Okay, I have to use something really that valuable word which can added a value of the sentence, and and also added the value of the value of the things that I speak. All right. So, but why, like you already you always making artifact episode in English now? So why is this thing as actually, why is actually happened? Yeah, I am recording artifact episode in English. That is true. Yes, but in the artifact episode I didn't really talk that much. Okay, every time I was rushed, I was in hurry. I just skip that. I just didn't really I didn't really make artifact episode little longer. Okay, I just make like a 5 minute, 10 minute, max to max 15 minute, and then I'm done. There is a one thing I noticed in myself, that when I was going with Pintu in stadium, the ground, usually we have pact, we decided that we have to speak English. Okay, so since we speak English during that period of time, I built so much confidence inside of me because of that. Okay, this is the first time, the moment over that time I was speaking to the Pintu, and it built confidence. Okay, like let me tell you one thing. I am talking in English um, almost like 6 months, yeah, and I'm talking in Artifact episode in last 6 months in English, yes. But usually there is a difference between talking in Artifact episode and talk to the other person. Okay, so when you talk to the other person now, at the beginning it bit really fumble, you didn't really have that much confidence, but soon you are constantly doing it again and again and again and again. Obviously things will grown up. Okay, and you will gain so much confidence while talking to the others. All right, but right now I don't have Pintu, I don't have anyone to talk English. So it's just like that ki, yes, it's because of that ki, I, yeah, Artifact episode, but still it just like whatever, yeah, like still I don't have anyone to talk in English, but still I have Artifact episode. Yeah. So it's good, yeah, it's great. Okay, like it is actually best for nothing na, instead of nothing, yeah. Okay, it is actually best, okay, instead of nothing. So it's good, yeah, it's great. All right, but main thing is that you just have to talk more and more. When you talk more and more, then you will elaborate the words more and more. You understand the words, you talk more and more words, and since you understand the words, since you talk those words, you memorize those words, you include those words in your sentence. That makes your communication skills and the English is became something really stronger. Because of that ki you are doing this thing again and again, that makes it a communication, and everything is became something really good. All right, so you have to be focused on that. All right, because lately I was actually analyzing myself, discovered myself, or noticed in myself that ki there are some sort of a changes inside of me. First of all is that ki I am thinking, like basically is that ki I don't have kind of like a something really words to say, but still is that ki I have little bit attitude, like attitude, yeah, not like I don't know, yaar. Okay, like is this I don't know. Like let me tell you one thing that ki I don't know, I have attitude or I don't have attitude, but let me tell you one thing that ki how I um, elaborate myself to other. Okay, how I do that, it's just like that ki before almost like a 2 or 3 years ago, I was I talk to the anyone and bhai kaisa hai kya hai वगैरह, but since I just I don't know, like basically na, some of the things are kind of like a very difficult to describe, but it just kind of like that. Yeah, like I understand the what is the value of am I, like what is the value of me, and how should I elaborate my value to that person. Okay, what do you mean by elaborate? Like it means that na ki um like what it's a kind of like a something really very like as I told you na, this subject is kind of like a very difficult to describe. But yeah, let me tell you what is exactly the proper way it is. Okay, not proper way, but I don't know, yaar. Okay, okay, there is a some certain situation is happened today. Today, like just okay, it's a haldi program of one of my brother, not brother actually, it's a It's a chulat brother. Okay. Yeah, it's a chulat brother. Okay, what is a chulat? I don't know the exact term of chulat. Okay, it's a brother of, okay, brother of another, whatever. It's a chulat brother. Okay, tomorrow he has a wedding and today is haldi. So I went there, and while I was doing my dinner, uh, um Badal's mother, she actually like she was actually beside beside me or something. That case, she was like, I know that she's Badal's brother, sorry, Badal's mother. Okay, and she also know that I am a friend of Badal. But I didn't really went directly and direct, and I didn't really went like first thing that I see that I know that particular person, so say that कि हाँ जय भीम and then कशी आहात वगैरह ठीक आहे. And no, it's not okay, because I analyze the moment at that time. Because of that कि at that time, at that situation, I was eating. Okay, and and Badal's mother was there. It was kind of like a something that um, like if I went there, say Jai Bhim and everything, and then I came back and then I eat, and then just kind of like a very weird. So it just like I just focus on eating first, and then I went there and they say Jai Bhim, and then yeah, I don't know. It's a very like a very stupid, very I like for like there is one thing for sure is that I didn't really express this thing properly. So yeah, the things happen at that situation is um I don't know, yeah. It's like the from the point of perspective, nothing really happened. From the point of emotionally level, um, kind of like a thing happened, not big but thing happened. Okay, I don't know, yaar. It's just like let me tell you one thing now. This like since I started this YouTube now, I became so like I don't really care about what does people think. Yeah, like like just like that ki I don't know, yaar. Sometimes it just whew, it's a very difficult to describe about things happen inside of me. But yeah, it's whatever. So but why you didn't really edit your video? Like what exactly happened? Yeah. Okay, so I wake up at morning. Okay, and I was actually uploading my shorts. Okay, I was creating my shorts, YouTube shorts. Then my mother called me, and I have to I have to uh, I have to put um, gehu. What is the word for gehu? Wheat. Okay, I have to put wheat from downstairs to upstairs for वाळवण्यासाठी. म्हणजे काय होते की मला नाही का आता असं उन्हाळा लाईक दिस इज ॲक्च्युली समर ना. सो एव्हरी समर we actually spread wheat to kind of like a take sun bath. Okay, why? Because of that ki like when wheat uh, take sun bath. I don't know, it's a very improper word to say, but when the wheat take the sun bath, and there are some sort of a little uh, insects, fungus and everything will gone. Okay, so and the wheat will uh, will stay longer, like basically for entire year. Okay, like if you didn't really like if you just preserve wheat at container, and you didn't really give them a sun bath, then after a year the wheat will started um, suddenly काय म्हणते, yeah, you understand na, some of the words are bit really, yes. Whatever, so because of that na, ki like I have to do some sort of homework. Okay, yeah, homework. Okay, homework, homework. घरचं काम. Okay, like basically homework means like that ki, like if you have to study, you have to study at home, so that is called homework. But the perspective is that ki घरचं काम means home, and work at home. Just work at home means like that, doing a job at home. But there is no specific word for doing a, like, yeah, it is a specific word that doing a work at home, whatever. Okay, I was actually doing a work at home, all right. So because of that, and then after that I went to the market, and basically is that I started uh, editing my shot at almost like a 12:30 p.m. Okay, then 12:30, then I after I upload my shots, after I upload my reels and everything, I ate my lunch, and then I started doing editing, all right. But I don't know why at the it was kind of like a something really I was doing so much procrastination. Okay, but still I just try to edit, so I edit my video, all right. And then motor was broken. Okay, and like there is no water at tank. Okay, so I have to fix the motor. So I was actually fixing the motor. Okay, how I fix the motor, like basically is that you have to pour the water. It's like there are some sort of things to do. Okay, I am actually very difficult to describe how I did it, but I have to pour some water into the pipe, and then create the pressure, and then I have to do it again and again to try. Then motor start. It take almost like a 1 to 1.5 hour to start the motor. Then I started the motor, and then I fill the tank with water, all right. And at almost like a 4:13, I was so tired, I don't know. I was trying to write the subtitles, but eventually just like it was so difficult to do that, all right. So I was actually sleeping, all right. So I decided that let's sleep, let's take a nap for hour. So I sleep for from 4:30 to 5:30. Then I wake up at 5:30, and then I went to work out. I came from workout at almost like a 7:30. Since I came, my mother insists me to go to the Sunanda Atya's haldi ceremony. So I went there. Okay, I just came after ate my dinner and recording artifact episode. After this artifact episode, I have to write the subtitles. All right. Yeah, edit is done. Yeah, edit is everything is done, but I have to write the subtitle, and subtitle is a very big part of video, and it's almost like a 6:30 minute of subtitle. So yeah, whatever. So this is it. This is the my artifact episode number 2732. Right now we are at Oja, Maharashtra. Thank you.